Interested in life and its many surprises? You've come to the right place. Let's compare notes. Welcome to Notes on Life. I'm Ellen. I'll be making tutorials, offering ways, tips, hacks, remedial remedies, support, something relaxing or reassuring, and wherever possible, a smile or two. This is about us, about you, for you. In this tutorial, more on this vital topic of cheering yourself up in still difficult times, on a bleak day that just won't twinkle back at you. How to cheer yourself up. In this tutorial, 5 more ways. Come. Let's see. Right. Let's see what we have in this here goodie bag. Okay. I feel a boost already. We have this. Now that stands for everything. Helpful, harmonious, in unison, togetherness. And as an object, I think it's beautiful too, but that's not the point here. The point is, what does it stand for? Togetherness, harmony. There's one. Oh. I love the combination. A light bulb with smiles all over. And for me it stands for both. Again, like this one. Harmony, togetherness, unison, fun. And this one for me also stands for after a long, chilly, bleak, horribly difficult winter, no matter what, we are moving back to the light. And I mean, we come from this and now we're back. Well, not permanently, I'm sure, but it's back. This. There's the little light. Okay. Oh. I know what that stands for. I'll tell you in a minute. Then please, let me know. Like it. Share the link. And use the subscribe button. And the little bell maybe. Never to miss another video. It'll be a big help. Thanks. Now this stands for awakening. Again, after a long, bleak winter, look around. It's the first week of March. Temperatures on the up. No guarantees, mind, but hey. And I think it's really marvelous in this time of year, especially after the winter we've had, to take a really lovely close look at everything that is awakening in nature. Look. From all that's brown and dead from winter, up come the new flowers, and from the grass the first primroses. Utterly, utterly lovely. And as every year, but maybe especially this year, it brings a message of light and hope. Always good to have around. Let's see what else have we got in this goodie bag. Yeah. Piece of rock, within it embedded minerals, some metal, maybe copper, not sure. And this is what they call pyrit, or fool's gold, because it's not gold. But for me it's about the glitter. And I call it the sparkle of life. Look. I truly believe that being near natural water is so good for the soul. Be it a stream, a river, sea, ocean, lake, no matter. And then to top it off, have the reflection of sunshine in these glittery gold coins. For me, that's the sparkle of life, and I truly believe it's good for you. So there. And also it's to do with light, the reflection of light. Always good to have around. Now, oh, let me tell you, plenty more in there. For instance, this. Oh, I know what this is. I know what this is. No peeking. Because, you know, I will show you next time. Now, as always, stay healthy, stay connected. And I'm speaking for all of us because you see, you're worth the connection. And please, see you next time.